Hey guys, ArchieLuxury on the Paul Pluta channel. Hey guys, I'm just making this video here. It's Friday in Australia and I actually did a bit of cleaning work. Clean your room, clean your room. See these two bookcases? These were absolutely covered in paint and they had paint and oil all over them. So I decided to actually take all the books out, take the stuff out and hose them off and give them a bit of a clean. Now, they're not perfect. Interestingly enough, the actual glass is speckled over there. It's speckled because when they were opening the safe, they didn't use any safeguards to stop the sparks or stuff going all over my shit. They didn't really give a toss about my stuff. They just wanted to get into the safe ASAP. So it's actually a bit deformed, and this here has still got paint on it. It's still got paint. It's still got paint on it. It's still got paint on it. I've given it a really good scrub. You can't get all of it off. But what I wanted to do is, guys, I wanted to show you what I'm actually doing is clean your room, clean your... Well, what I want to do is I want to get my room cleaned. And I got to say the reason for this is because, well, this room, I've been having a bit of a few disappointments this week. Yes, I did. Let me tell you what happened, okay? So what happened is, let me just put it on this camera stand. Well, what happened was I had the carpet guy. Carpet call. Experts in the trade. And unfortunately what happened was they were coming on Monday. But my safe removal guy, he's been delayed. So you know what that means. It means that I had to cancel the carpet. The new carpet that was coming on Monday, because I don't know what time on Monday the safe man is taking the safe away. And knowing my luck, the carpet will be here at 8 o'clock and the safe guy won't be here until after lunch. So it's just a schmozzle. One big schmozzle. So I decided, you know what? Let's just let's just be calm, be cool, and I tell you what, let's just get the carpet rescheduled. Unfortunately, it's going to be January next year, but that's okay. I thought, you know what, let's not let this get you down. I decided to start cleaning my cabinet. So I had the blue one, it had all the Paddock, had some Paddock books left. I took them all out, looked at the damage. There was a couple books that were damaged, but a lot of them have survived. Cleaned them up, put them in the lounge room until this room is getting fully functional. In the other cabinet, I picked up some stuff. I picked up all the stuff, put it into a box. And so basically those two cabinets, I've taken them out, hosed them, given them a really good clean, and you know what, it'll do until the insurance comes through, because I gotta be honest with you, I don't want to be spending massive money at the moment when the insurance hasn't come through. I've had to use my own money to get the safe removed, used my own money to pay for the new carpet, but I don't want to be buying fancy wancy replacement furniture just yet. I want to get it all settled. So that's the plan there. What else? I cleaned up some of my models. Unfortunately, they never come up. They came up, they look nice, but I can't get the oil off them. Some idiot put oil all over them, and I can't get them perfectly clean, but you know what? They're okay in here. Just put them in here I can enjoy them. That's okay. This stain here, that doesn't seem to come off. See the stain? I haven't even attempted over here. This is this bookshelf. I've started taking some books out. This is a disaster. What did they do here? So I got to get that cleaned up. And then over on the other bookshelf, you can see some of the tragedy that's going on. But you know what? Let's get started. No point bitching or whinging. I've even taken the curtains off. They've got paint stains on them, but you know what? Let's get them cleaned. Let's get them cleaned. So I'm trying to get the room in order. That's what I want to do. Because I want to start filming from the studio ASAP. With or without, the safe will be out Monday. I want to start filming from here. I've ordered some new replacement monitors, and I got to tell you, I got stuff coming, so it's okay. Jordan Peterson says, clean your room. So that's what I've been doing, guys. Super chats and that are good, guys. Paid reviews are coming. I just want to get my space cleaned. It is happening. So it is all on time. I'm making an effort. I'm making a good effort. Okay, guys, I'm Paul Pluta. See you in the next one. Paid reviews coming very soon.